Friends, for this first video we're going to be making a bunch of art projects. So for that you're going to need a lot of paper. With this paper you can go ahead and fold it over into different layers and make them into a bouncy little thing, and then you can go ahead and add in the face of our super favorite character, which is usually the tiger. With that, go ahead and add it to your little bouncy pieces of crisscrossed over paper and add in some cute little paws. Make sure to color them in and add in some googly eyes. Look at how cool that is. It bounces so perfectly. For this next one, we're going to be making a really pretty, beautiful butterfly. So for the butterfly, it's best if you have two-toned paper and stick it in together. With that, you can go ahead and create one side of the butterfly. Doesn't that look amazing? It's super simple to make and it might look confusing, but it's really easy and really rewarding. Thank you so much for watching. For this next one, we're going to be making an origami dinosaur. So follow the instructions carefully because origami can get really confusing if you're not paying attention. You can make the dinosaur in whatever color you want and of whatever size you want. Just make sure to fold it exactly like how this video shows you to. Go ahead and fold it over and smoothen out the edges so that it's crisp and neat. With that, once you're done folding everything together, make sure to draw in cute little spots and add in a set of googly eyes. There you have it, your very own cute little dinosaur. Make sure that the dinosaur looks neat and well put together, and if it's not working out, you can go ahead and create a new dinosaur with new pieces of paper. No worries about that. Just make sure to follow the instructions super carefully. Look at how cutely that turned out. Friends, now for this next one we're going to be making an origami dragonfly. I'm sure everyone has seen dragonflies in their childhood, and now we're going to be making one strictly out of paper by just folding it. Isn't that amazing? Paper and origami is a limitless art, so make sure that you follow these instructions carefully to make sure that it turns out beautifully without any issues. Now when your dragonfly starts looking like a ninja star, you can go ahead and take one side and push it in together. Do the same thing with the rest and curve in the rest to make it look like a cute little head for your dragonfly, right? Make sure the tail stays super pointy, and there you have it, your very own dragonfly. Look at how wonderfully that turned out. Thank you so much for watching. Friends, now for this next one we're going to be making really cute small origami characters, so make sure to follow the video carefully. Start off with taking a square piece of paper and folding that exactly like how the video shows you. Then you can go ahead and add in exactly the embellishments that this video has in the end characters. With black marker, draw in the eyes and the little whiskers and also some end dynamic cute little crisscross markings. Go ahead and color a deeper shade for the ears. Look at how cute that is, your very own pet ring. Doesn't that look amazing? Voila. Thank you so much for watching.